When Abigail was born, her life took an unexpected turn. She was diagnosed with a serious medical condition. Her organs hadn't formed correctly, and her kidneys didn't work.
But Abigail, she's not just a survivor, she's a warrior. She was put on dialysis, her body enduring more than most of us could ever imagine.
There was also an issue with her spine, and she found herself relying on a wheelchair for more mobility.
But here's the remarkable part about Abigail. She's known for being laid back and easygoing, a friend to everyone she meets. However, beneath that gentle spirit lies an incredible determination. When Abigail sets her mind to something, there's just no stopping it.
Get on your feet and make some noise, Capital, for our very special guest, Abby!
We have a very special gift for a very special person, and that would be you. Before you come and see all of us in our hometown, did you know that my castle is where you're going?
Yeah.
You did? Wow, I knew you did. Well, before you come, may I present to you a very special gift?
Yeah.
Today, in my kingdom, we will remember today as a day for Princess Abby. And coming up in the next few weeks, we'll show you all around our kingdom, and we would like to present to you this special tiara as Queen Abby.
Princess before you go to Disney World. Would you officially like to be Princess Brooklyn? Yes.
I'm super excited. I'm gonna jump around and have so fun.
Everything was lit. Everything was lit.
Everything that I saw there was good, and
the assembly was really cool. I really enjoyed all the princesses.
It was pretty good.
Wonderful.
It was amazing that we actually made her go to Disney World.
I also want to thank all you guys for making this day the best. I really thank all you guys. You guys are really doing the whole work. I really thank you guys super much.